The eiskah TV stand EK-75 offers ample storage with its combination of center console shelf, drawers, and open shelves, making it perfect for organizing media equipment and accessories. Featuring an innovative protective iron mesh on the sides, this TV stand ensures that your accessories are securely stored without the risk of falling out. This versatile piece not only functions as a TV stand, but also serves as a dresser, storage cabinet, or coffee table, blending modern and industrial styles to elevate any room's aesthetic. Constructed from high-quality medium-density fiberboard and a thickened steel frame, the stand is exceptionally sturdy, with adjustable feet to maintain balance on uneven surfaces. Assembly is straightforward due to the detailed instructions and included hardware, ensuring that even those with minimal assembly experience can set it up with ease. eiskah provides excellent customer service and encourages users to reach out with any questions, ensuring a positive experience from purchase to setup.